Hi, I'm Mrs. Moeller, and I will be teaching your son or daughter Calculus BC this year. This is my third year here at CCA and my 26th year of teaching. I was raised in a Christian family. My parents were devout Christians, still are, and we went to a school similar to CCA where the church and school were associated. My father was my math teacher, which I loved. I hope my kids like, being in my classroom as much as I loved being in my father's classroom. But we had so much fun as kids going to school and church all day, all night. Every time the church doors were open, my family and I would be there. We loved it. And I pray that your children also love coming to school here, love participating in all our events at the church and through the school. It's such a blessing, and I hope they see that as a blessing. So this is a very rigorous but fun course, and your kids will to go through all the gamut of emotions. They'll be happy, they'll be tired, there will be tears, and that's okay. That's what we're here for. So just please support them, pray for them in any way you can. I will be bringing in brownies to make it a little easier, as I did in the last test. They just took a test a week ago, and they did awesome. They all scored a B or better, and I was very proud of them, which I'm sure if you go into Haiku, which we're going to talk about in a second, you'll see their grades. So on Haiku, on the home page, you will see contact information for myself. There will be an email and phone number. Feel free to contact me whenever you deem it necessary. The easiest way to contact me is through my email, as I can respond to you later in the day when I'm not teaching. But if you need to call me and you want to speak in person, that is fine also. Also, my helps times are on that Haiku page. I have helps every Tuesday after school in my classroom. If that's a problem for them, or if they need helps at a different time, please just have them speak to me during the day and say, look, Mrs. Mueller, I just struggled last night on my homework. Can you please help me during lunch or after school? That's usually not a problem, as long as they let me know ahead of time. There's also videos. So every night your child will come home, and they'll be watching videos on Haiku, and you'll hear the voice of Mrs. Darby, who was our amazing teacher last year, and she left all her valuable videos for the kids to watch. And so they'll watch a short video on whatever topic it is that evening, and then they'll do an assignment with their textbooks. Speaking of which, they all sign out a textbook that looks like this. Hopefully it's at your house, and it can stay there because we have enough of these in the classroom that they don't have to bring it back and forth. So they'll watch the videos, and then while they're watching or after they've watched, they'll be doing their homework that is also placed on Haiku. And some are short, some are long, just depends on the kid and the length of the time it takes them to do it. And then we'll come in the next day, and then during class I answer all their questions, and sometimes we'll take a quiz, sometimes we'll just talk about the next topic coming up. But it's exciting. It's a lot of proofs. They'll learn about the math behind the math, is what I'll say. They'll learn why things are the way they are, and all this algebra goes with all this geometry, and this amazing explosion of mathematics. It's so much fun, and it's just great to see their little faces light up when I show them why this is the way it is. And so I am so excited that they're here. I'm so excited that I get to teach them. Please support them in every way that you can, and I look forward to a great year. Thank you so much.